Hey y'all, so today I'll be telling you about my measurement activity that I chose for our assignment. The one that I chose can be found on page 359 of our textbook. It was activity 15.24. Down here you can see where I have the website so you can get to it, and it is splashlearn.com. So over here I have the standard. The standard was ky.k.md.2. And it says, directly compare two objects with a measurable attribute in common to see which object has more of, less of, the attribute, and describe the difference. The learning target that I use for this activity says, I can compare objects and know which has more or less. So I do have information right here on where to go once you go to that website. But one of the ways that you can play this activity at home is just getting like a water bottle or a bucket or just household items maybe that you use to cook or just drink out of. And what you can do is you can hold them side by side and then ask your child or your student to determine if one container can hold more of or less of than the other, or if they hold about the same amount. For example, I have two water bottles right here. I have this one and I have this one, and I would hold them side by side. I'm not going to do that at the moment, but you could use that as an example to show like that they're about the same, even though, you know, we know that there's going to be a difference. You can see that they're about the same height. But like if I had a water bottle and then a cooking pan or a cooking pot, you know, they would be able to more than likely tell the difference that way. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the website that I have. So like I said, it is called Splash Learn, and what you can do is you can choose any grade level from kindergarten to 5th grade. So over here you can see I went to math games, kindergarten, and I looked for measurement games. So right here is where we have all these different games. You have length, height, weight, sort pictures, and then capacity, which is the one that we have today. And it's really interesting because like it does say right here, covers Common Core curriculum, K.MD.2, and it tells you that for every single game that you play. So it says, understand that weight is a measurable attribute. Select the heavier or lighter of two objects. So we're going to go ahead and play now. Now this has many different grades. You can sign up for free as a teacher or sign up for free as a parent. But you do have to kind of go along with how it all works. So anyways, I went to kindergarten and I went to math games, and then, so math games, kindergarten, and then measurement games. And then I scroll down, there's length, height, and I went to capacity and play now.
Glass holds less than bucket. Is it correct?
So just like, for example, do this one. Yes.
Fabulous.
Tap the one that holds less.
So for example, I'll do that one.
Master.
This holds less. Tap the one that holds more.
Okay, so I turned off the volume real quick, but basically, like, it lets you know, it explains, like, you know, which one has more or less. It just said tap the one that holds more, so hold more. And then it, you know,
Bucket
it's good and it keeps going.
Holds more than mug.
And then,
is it correct?
Okay, so we have the music can play and the voice can be quiet. So bucket holds more than, I don't know what they said about that, so I say yes.
Good going.
Keeps going. Holds less.
On a roll.
Okay, and that's where it usually stops me. But, you know, it wants you to sign up. It is for free. I just haven't signed up. But it has a ton of other games. It keeps going. You can even come over here and you can change your grade level, make it, you know, make it a little bit more difficult. Like I said, there are other options on here. I did go to grade 2 and found another like capacity game that's very, very similar. And over here, this website also does show the standard. This one says covers Common Core Curriculum K.MD.2, and it does that for all of them. And so, like I said, this is helpful because it allows the kids to keep growing as they do good. You can have music, you can have no music, you can have the little voice talk to you or not. And this is just a fun little website that I found to make it more fun for the kids, other than just looking at two objects and saying, well, you know, which one has more or less. At least this way they have colors and sounds and cute little characters. And thank you.